Hi Broccolis, are you ready to do some math today? So what you will need is a crayon, a few pieces of paper, some scissors, and your favorite snack. So it could be fruit snacks, it could be cereal, it could be crackers, it could be whatever you want it to be. I'm going to use some cereal. Here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my crayon and my paper. And I'm going to start numbering it. So we're going to number 1 through 10. So here we go. I'm going to number the top 1, and then 2, down below I'm going to do 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's one page, and it'll look like this. I'm going to set that aside. We're going to continue. I'm going to write the number 7 up top, 8, 9, and 10. Again, it's going to look like this. The next thing I want you to do is grab your scissors, and we're going to start cutting it out. So the way I'm going to cut it out is I'm going to make sure that I'm cutting close to the 3 and the 4. My line is not perfect, and that's okay. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to cut in the middle. And again, it's going to look like a card. So I'm going to set my 1 and my 2 aside, and I'm going to keep cutting. So now again, I'm going to cut close to the 5 and the 6, making sure there's a nice big gap. It's going to be like cards. And down the middle again. And I'm going to do that with the rest of them. So the 5 and the 6, snip, snip. Now I'm going to grab my second page, and again, close to the 9 and the 10, I'm going to cut. You could have your mommy or your daddy help you if you need help. 7, 8, you're gonna cut. And our last 9 and 10. Great. Now we have our cards. So I'm going to have you set our cards kind of like a game. I'm going to have you set 1, 2 in front of you, 3 in front of you, 4, and just lay them out in order. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I have all my cards in front of me. I'm going to bring out my snack, and I'm going to start counting. So for the number 1, I'm going to lay out 1 Cheerio. 1 Cheerio. I'm going to keep going. 2 means I need 2 Cheerios. So I'm going to count them out. 1, 2, and I'm going to keep going. 3, I need 1, 2, 3. You could stack them too. For 4, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4. Now moving on to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Now 6. And I'm just gonna go all the way across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, we're just going to complete all the way to number 10. And I think you could do it. Now moving on to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Phew, there's a lot of numbers to count. Moving on to 8, the numbers are getting bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, holy moly. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And our biggest number today is 10. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow, we sure did a lot of counting. All right, friends, thanks for doing math with me today. See you later.